All right, so we're in Ochi, down by the sea. And I have a fisherman here named Russia. Say hello to the world.
Hello.
So he's here with his fishing net, and we're going to find out what exactly. Is this brand new? You're building it or repairing it?
No, brand new. Just building it.
So how long did it take you to get it to this point?
About two to 3 days.
2 to 3 days. Have you been doing this your whole life, a fisherman?
Yeah.
Your father was a fisherman?
No. I'm the only fisherman in the family.
Ah, so what took you to that?
I just like the sea.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You go out by yourself?
No, there's a group of us.
So tell me how you lay the line. Tell me how you lay the line.
No, just like how you see it. Same way. We just,
So does it float with the tide or is it weighted?
no, it's weighted. You're gonna put the lead on the bottom. Keep it down.
All right, so it's middle of the stream fish, middle of the water table, all the way to the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what about on the top? What's keeping it afloat?
No. The cart that keeps it floating.
And
So you keep the net stand up straight.
so do you set it on a falling or a rising tide?
No, it doesn't really matter.
Fish will come in both sides.
Yeah.
So does it take two men to pull it, like side by side, like you
Yeah.
fold it up as you bring it in?
No, it's like we take it up, two of us pull it in. Everything just come in the middle.
All right, and you're pulling the fish out right away?
Yeah.
Do you throw anything back?
Yeah, when I'm too small.
And is this monofilament?
No, this is for catching. This one directly is for the bait net.
Oh, this is just for bait.
Yeah.
All right, so what size fish are you going to catch?
Like herring, like herring spot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are there any policies about what kind of filament you're allowed to use?
Yeah.
So what's the smallest filament you're allowed to use?
A regular, it's like 2.5 and up size. But this, as I said, this one is a bait net. So it's a 2-inch. It's a
Okay.
bait net.
All right, well, I appreciate your time, and I'm going to post your video on my, it's called At Inside Jamaica. It's the real story of Jamaica. All right, thank you, man.
Okay.